There'll be times when you have a list of data in Excel and you might want to count the number of entries in it. Now, I can see here that there's around 800 entries, but what I can't tell with this data is if every single entry in this list has a number in it. So Excel has a function called COUNTA, and it allows you to count the number of cells in a list that are not empty. So I'm going to create a formula here that is going to count the number of cells that aren't empty. So I click where I want the answer to be, and I click the insert function or the insert function option, and from here I'm going to type in COUNTA and go. Now the COUNTA function counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. There are different count functions that perform different actions, but this one counts the number of cells that are not empty. If I click OK, so what I need to do is scroll up to the start of my list of data that I want to check, and if I just go Shift and page down till I get to the end. Now I know there's around 800 lines, but I have no idea how many are blank. So I'm coming down here to the bottom.
So I scroll down to the bottom and you can see there it says C2 to C800, and it also says 795 are not empty and shows me a sample of the numbers. I click OK. Now you can see from here down the bottom it says 795 are not empty. If I was to take out the top heading, that would be 799, and that would tell me that there are 4 entries in that list where the cells are in fact empty.